Hi, this is All Things Property with me, Zamantungwa Khumalo. These are the 5 hidden costs of owning a home. The first one is utility fees. Now these vary depending on your consumption and are charged by your municipality. If you think you're going to go overboard, maybe install a prepaid meter for your water and your electricity. The second one is rates and taxes. Now this is also charged by your municipality for things like collecting your garbage and other services that the municipality offer. The big thing to note about this is it varies not only according to the type of property you have, but also the area you live in. So you want to make sure that you do your research about the area you live in and the rates and taxes that are charged in that specific area. The third one is levies. Now this amount varies according to the size of your property and is charged by the body corporate. What you want to make sure is to ask your estate agent for a levy statement so you get a better sense of just how much you're going to be paying. The fourth one is homeowners insurance. Now the majority of home loans that you're going to apply for are going to require you to have this insurance. Make sure you find out from your service provider just how much it costs and whether there are monthly escalation costs throughout the years. You want to make sure that you budget accordingly with homeowners insurance. The last one is general maintenance. Now, if you're living at home or maybe renting, this is probably something that you are not covering. You want to make sure that you're able to put away money every month in case there's ever anything that goes wrong in your property. For more tips and advice on all things property, go to our blog on www.builders.co.za.